hello everyone. My name is Mr. Darrell, and as you know, I'm your MUET teacher for this semester. And this semester has been very weird, to say the least, and also very hectic. But it's alright. It's the final road of our journey in MUET, and I want you to be ready. Alright, here in the slide, I'm going to tell you about MUET Writing Paper Question 1. Alright, things we're going to discuss in this video. So things we're going to discuss right now is the format, the sample questions, and if you have any questions at all, remember you can text me or you can write at the comment section down below. Alright, so let's talk about the format. So MUET Paper 4 writing test has 2 questions and need to be completed in 90 minutes. 90, which is equals to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Question 1 requires the candidate to transfer from a non-linear text to a linear text, and question 2 requires the candidate to write an essay at least 350 words. So I repeat here. So for MUET Paper 4, there's 2 questions, question 1 and question 2. Question 1, you have to transfer information, and question 2, you have to write an essay, extended essay. Alright, moving on. Alright, as you can see here, this is the instructions for question 1 and the suggestion, the tips that I'm going to tell you. First, as you can see here, transferring information from a non-linear source to a linear text. This question 1 gives you around 40 marks. So it's a huge mark over there. Candidates are advised to spend around 40 minutes to complete this question. Candidates must read the question first and interpret the information in the visual. That means, salah, bar graph, line chart, table, schedule, whatever they give to you, you have to interpret it. That means terjemahkan apa yang you tengok daripada apa yang tengok tadi. Okay, and use the information and write a report of 150 to 200 words. This, my friends, my students, is question 1. So in sample A, you can see there's 2 things. First is a bar graph, and second is a timetable. So you actually have to relate both of this visual and provide a text, provide a report from what you can see from the text. On first glance, kalau tengok pertama kan, jangan panic. If you see this, do not be panic. First, you must scan through everything first and see what is significant and what is not significant here. Try to look for something yang tinggi, the highest, and something that is the lowest, and find something in the middle that you can relate. Benda yang you nampak ke tak ada dalam this whole information that is in front of you. Okay. As for sample B, you can see here there's line chart and also there's a bar graph. This is a bit unusual, but things can happen in MUET. I bet you know already by now. So when you get this, like I said, jangan panic. Breathe in, breathe out, and look at this sample in front of you, or this question in front of you. So look for things that you find significant, benda yang you nampak sangat ketara. First, as you can see here in the line graph over here, you can see like there's plateau, that means flat, there's going up, and there's going down. So these are the things that you should comment and you should write in your report, and relate it to the second figure, figure 2, sales of reading materials in 2007. So let's say here, why is this period of time in month around August to December per se, kenapa dia flat as you can see over there? Why? So the reason is in figure 2. You can do that. Like first, when you see this, cari benda yang significant, and after that you relate to your figure 2 over there and cari kenapa at this certain time it's flat, it's going up, it's going down. Okay, the next one, C, question 1 sample. So as you can see in front of you right now, there's two there's two figures, figure 1 and also table 1. Like usual, when you see this, focus on figure 1 first. Find which one yang significant. Find things yang you nampak macam ketara. Is it going up? Is it the most? Is it the lowest? Is it the middle? Is it the same? Find what you think yang ketara and then relate it to table 1 over here. Promotional activities in 2014. Alright, like the public mall. Public mall, as you can see, it has the lowest number of visitors to shopping malls in 2014. Why? As you can see here, it only has promotional activities, which is Home Expo. You can say like that, you know. So relate. Let's say over here you see like which one is the most highest, the highest one over here, and then relate it. Why Sunshine Mall has the highest amount of visitors in 2014? And the answer is because Sunshine Mall has Food Fest, Health Promotion, Home Expo, Pet Carnival and Travel Fair, and that's why a lot of people went to the shopping mall. Okay. Okay everyone, so this is question 1 sample answer. Alright, Band 5, this is the answer for Band 5 and Band 6, but you know, if you can't score Band 5 or Band 6, you can do your best and make sure you can score the best in question 1 over here. So when you look at the question first, remember, don't panic, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, and then look at the graph over here. Alright, so there's two graphs or two charts. First, figure 1 is line graph, and then figure 2 is bar graph. So once you recognize that and look at the graph individually, let's focus into figure 1. But before that, look at the arahan or the instruction over here. Study the charts below. Write about air travelers' choice of airlines and relate this information to the traveler's degree of satisfaction with the airlines. You should write around 150 to 200 words. So for figure 1. Alright, figure 1, it's like I say, it's a line graph. Okay, as you can see, there's 3 patterns over here. First is garisan yang lurus, straight line, and there's dotted line, and there's dash. So this straight line, dash, and dotted line represent 3 airlines: Air Heron, Pegasus Airways, and Fleet Air. Fleet Air, is it Fleet Air? Yeah, as you can see over there. Okay, dah tengok tu? And then tengok pattern. Tengok macam mana the line pattern tu. Adakah dia menaik, dia menurun, ataupun it's flat. So find key, like I say, find key pattern, whether it's going up, going down, or going straight, or whatsoever that you can see over there. And if you see the pattern already and try to relate, cuba kaitkan dengan figure 2, Air Travelers Rating of Satisfaction for 2008. Alright, let's move on to the answer, shall we? So, Air Travelers Choice of Airlines 2003 and 2008. When you write your answer, make sure you write the title over there. Make it simple. Just report. Just bagi tahu. Figure 1 is what, figure 2 is what. Alright? Then, you can start writing how you want to analyze and synthesize. So, when you want to analyze, you look at graph 1 or figure 1 and you synthesize from figure 2. And in this, analyze, synthesize, and then after if you can find around 3 to 4 analysis and synthesis, then you can write your conclusion. In conclusion, in 2008, the number of air travelers correspond to the travelers' rating of satisfaction. The end. So you can use this kind of sample as your backbone, and you can try to practice on your own while waiting for your exam to come very soon. Alright, that's it guys. Good night.